What works in sales is evolving and changing, and lots of salespeople are struggling to adapt. All of the key metrics that we care about in sales have been moving in the wrong direction. Number of opportunities is down, win rate is down, average order value is down, length of sales cycle is up. Our customers are more risk averse than ever before, and decision-making groups are getting bigger and more senior. They need super strong internal business cases to sell on your solution to their colleagues and stakeholders. How do I quickly convert good conversations into closed-won opportunities? In this video, I want to share a structure for doing just that. I'm super confident that if you routinely explore with your customers the 5 areas that make up this structure, you're going to see your win rate increase and your sales cycle shorter. I'm Paul Cruz, and this is my mentor moment.